Do you know what is congestion factor in construction? Most of us may not be aware of it. Let's look at what is this? What is the congestion factor in construction schedule? While you prepare a schedule, this is an important aspect. Most of the time we miss the congestion factor. Let's look at what it is. The congestion factor is generally when a lot of people work in a small site or a limited area, right, where the access is limited, the access for the workman, the access for the equipment is limited. That creates a congestion, and actually it impacts to the project schedule. It slows down the project because you can't work, or you can't work simultaneously in one place because of the access for both manpower as well as for the equipment. So this is called congestion factor. Let us look at how the congestion factor is applied, and we have taken one or two activities here related to construction. One activity here is foundation excavation. This is the critical activity. If this get delayed, the entire project can get delayed. Let us look at the congestion factor. How can we apply the congestion factor or determine the congestion factor? So ideal duration for this excavation is 40 days with unrestricted movement of a few excavators and dump trucks. Since this is early activity, the space is available because you are the first one to go. Nobody is there. Space is available. There are only few activities which are happening, so there are no major conflict there, right? So the congestion factor for such work can be small. It can be as low as 1.05. So if you look at the total ideal duration, you can apply this 1.05 to the ideal duration and you get the real schedule duration, that is 42 days, 40 into 1.05. So how the congestion factor is applied? Now let us look at the activity 2. The activity 2 is related to facade installation. This occurs little late in the project or when the site is in peak, and this also has a lot of impact on the people who are working inside. So let us look at this facade work, which has got ideal duration of 60 days with dedicated crane and unobstructed work areas. However, the site is heavily congested with multiple trades working, services people, interior people, everybody is working inside. And the material movement, we have got only one crane, so they have to share that crane to get the material. There's a limited storage space, so you can't just dump entire facade material there, so you have to manage this. And since there are simultaneous activities, the congestion factor could be more. Here, in this case, the congestion factor could be as high as 1.3. So your ideal duration of 60 days, if you apply this congestion factor, the actual duration or scheduled duration can become 78 days. So how to minimize the congestion factor? Time planning, minimize the potential space and time conflicts. So you make sure that you properly plan based on the sequence of work, right? Get the material, get the manpower accordingly. If you have limited space, then you have to manage the space accordingly. You may have to keep maybe additional stores nearby the site so that you can quickly get the material here, because there are delays from the material side. So it is better to have material in our hand. Resource leveling, again you need to find out the schedule, which are the critical activities, put the more resources there from the other activities where you float, level the resource so that you are moving in the right direction. Zoning of work site, you can also create zones where people can work in different zone, so all trades cannot go in one place, they work in different zone and they follow the process and based on sequencing and come back. Effective logistic is very important. Detailed and practical sequence, as I said, is very, very important to minimize the congestion factor. First of all, the sequencing has to be known, the delivery of the material has to be known, you may have to create proper logistics as well as the stores planning, and if the site is limited, you will have to create zones where you follow the sequence and get your congestion factor down. That's a very important aspect. Hope this video has helped you about this congestion factor. Please give in comments your valuable thoughts in the comment section, and if you want such related videos, just put in the comment box and I can come back to you. Please enroll in my course, Good Installation Practices for HVAC System. It's a very, very recommendable course and you will definitely enjoy it. Do subscribe. Thank you so much.